on the ground. Jump in the window.
Open your door, see if it does get in.
Unlock the door. Hey.
Chase it.
I'm not going to chase it. Call it.
Hello! Hello! Hello!
It's Chinese.
Hello! Do you want fortune cookies? Hello! Hello!
Where'd it go?
It's laying down in the handicap spot. Okay, see if it'll get in your car.
Hold on, wait. Do you have that on video?